Hi guys, Chelsea, your TA lady. Want to go ahead and give you a powerful strategy of how you can utilize Bitcoin to know when to enter in your altcoins. All right, so you can have two charts pulled up at all times. Bitcoin, to always know what it's doing, as well as your altcoins. So I'll go ahead and show you how to utilize this with screen share. All right, so I have a big chart pulled up. So what you can go ahead and do is always have a Bitcoin chart pulled up. If you have dual computers, you can go ahead and have one of the Bitcoin chart and then the other ones of your altcoins. So I'll show you how you can utilize this to know when to enter a trade or the potential of how the trade will play out for your altcoins by utilizing Bitcoin. All right, so this is a 4-hour chart, and if I was to go ahead and look at a 4-hour chart, I could see, okay, we're having an uptrend with Bitcoin. So that means any alt BTC pairs, it's going to be harder for them to perform because it's a comparison of that altcoin to Bitcoin, which Bitcoin's pumping. So that altcoin would have to pump even more than Bitcoin, which can be harder to do. So typically you'll see your alt BTC pairs not perform as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up now. I have an alt BTC pair here. I went ahead and drew on the same time mark. And as you see, when Bitcoin pumped, that alt BTC pair had a decline. All right. Now, if you were to utilize it for any alt USDT pairs, so I'm going to go ahead and type in now an alt USD. Here's an alt USD pair. I'm going to go ahead and go to the 4-hour chart, and typically your alt USDT pairs move with Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's pumping, your alt USDT pairs can pump. Okay, not always, but typically it can play out. There is correlation with this. Your alt USDT pairs, if Bitcoin's dumping, your alt USDT pairs potentially can be dumping too. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that same time frame here. And let's look at the comparison. So on the 4-hour chart, the BTC started to pump here, and the alt USDT pair started to pump. So that is how you can utilize a correlation with Bitcoin, okay, and how it can play out with the charts. So if you see a potential move on the same time frame as Bitcoin, then your alt USDT pairs could run with Bitcoin, okay? The alt BTC, that's a comparison of your alt to Bitcoin, okay? So that's how you can go ahead and utilize the Bitcoin chart, always having it up in front of you to help you on your trade.